The world moves faster every day. The acceleration of technology and the commoditization of academic degrees have shifted the requirements of the labour market, increasing the skill gap and the inefficiency of all current methodologies to discover and curate talents. It's time for a totally new era for proof of skills, the era of Skyllz. An open source, public, blockchain-based and distributed skills validation platform to build a universal and evolving human-positive skills ecosystem. A protocol to validate and empower skills acquisition, skills allocation, skills contextualization and skills boosting freely across current and future skills touchpoints applications, where meritocracy, transparency, decentralization and immutability will be the base of a unified ecosystem to track and validate every positive skill footprint. Skyllz distributed platform mainly works on top of the Ethereum blockchain through proof of skills, working as reputation within the ecosystem and being attributed as skills get validation. The Skyllz token, an ERC20 compliant and exchangeable token of fixed supply, serving as unit of account, and enabling users to get, validate and certify every relevant skill across the ecosystem. Skyllz.io, Skyllz APIs allowing any application member of the SDP to access and assign both proof of skill and Skyllz tokens among its users. And lastly, any SDP application, such as Workola, the team behind Skyllz, as well as the first skill touchpoint application on top of the Skyllz distributed platform. Through our 1,000 challenges, our community of more than 17,000 students already gain experience, build their online reputation, and get access to jobs, replacing resumes with a system of hard and soft skills metrics. Skyllz push it to the next level, opening it to any other application that could build trust and value around skill validations and creating the biggest unified skills ecosystem. Skyllz.